like?
You kind of dumped me.
It was a break. It wasn't a break up.
I'm sorry, Ricky. But it's a breakup now.
Oh, come on. Hey, I take this seriously.
No, you don't. You don't take anything seriously. You coast. You really cared about me for years. You let somebody who wants to play this perfectly.
Nini will probably quit. You need her a lot more than you need me. What am I supposed to do? Stay up all night practicing steps? Actually prove to Nini that I'm not a quitter at this so she realizes I'm not a quitter at us? I told you I loved you and you couldn't say it back. You said it to Ricky. I saw you singing that song with Ashley today. I felt like we kind of shared like a moment, or a thing. For some of us, this has become... It's really hard to talk about it. Not with you, but anyone else. It's like...
And I can't sleep, I can't breathe. Without you here, I'm just a shadow of a man. And I don't know what I'd do without you, yeah. Permeate my soul, if you go, I do not know.
So this is for Gina? The song is for me.
How do you think it's me? What you mean? You've come a long way and Ricky's been kind of great lately. You'd meet a kid, know nothing about them, and in 10 seconds over your best friends.
Yeah.
Same here with you. Bye.